Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to charge Lexus CT200H battery full guide. First, locate the 12V auxiliary battery and read the owner manual on charging precautions. Turn off all electronics and open the hood, keeping sparks and metal away. Use a proper charger set to recommended voltage and current, or use jump start terminals per manual. Monitor the charger until full and follow safe disconnect steps. Choosing the right charger matters for battery health and longevity, so pick a charger compatible with 12V lead-acid or AGM batteries. Set the charger to a low amp trickle or smart charge mode to restore charge gently and reduce stress. If using a booster or jump start, follow polarity and terminal guidance carefully. Always monitor voltage and temperature and stop charging if overheating or swelling appears. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: I love these leak-proof containers for easy meal prep and tidy lunch storage, perfect for busy drivers. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can grab them if interested. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Start by turning off the car and removing key fob from range, then disconnect the negative terminal first and secure loose cables away. Attach the charger clamps to the correct battery terminals, ensuring tight contact and correct polarity. Begin charging at the recommended rate and let the smart charger complete its cycle or reach the specified voltage. After charging, turn off the charger, disconnect negative then positive, and test with a multimeter to confirm proper voltage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.